Yo guys, what's up? This is Imperial Caster, and today this is a face cam video. So yeah, so I'm gonna get right into the game in a couple seconds. So yeah, first video with my face in it, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, okay, so 1 second, cut. Okay guys, so we're gonna be playing this game called Spinner or Fidget Spinner or whatever it's called. And yeah, so I got my game right here, and so let's play. Yay. Oh, that sounds so unsatisfying. Okay, get rid of this ad right here. I can't tap it. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is very different, but I like my, oh yeah, new best, but I didn't even have any best tier. Okay, so there's a new item, and I could do a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna upgrade all that. New item, open. Oh, banana. I got a banana, guys. That looks sick. I want a gold fidget spinner, or is that wood? I don't know. I don't really care. What the fudge? I'm going so fudging fast. Okay. Go banana dude. I believe in you. Come on, beat my high score. Come on, just 5 more. No. Oh, okay. Sorry, just keep scratching my nose. Okay. Okay, less friction. That sounds good. I don't know what that means though. Another tier. Okay, let's try to beat my record. Yite. Oh, that's bad. Yite. Yite. And yite. And another yite. Okay, I beat my best. That's pretty good, I guess. What's up with these ads? And also, if you want me to show you how to get face cam, then I'll comment down below and I'll make a video on it. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. Someone interrupted me. So yeah. Back to this game. And I don't know what I'm doing. So what the fudge? There's like a sun right behind me. That's not creepy at all. Okay. Level up. Yike. Oh, this looks weird. This looks kind of weird. Come on, get 20. That sound though. Come on, I have to beat my record. Come on, let's go guys. Let's get the hype on. Okay, let's grease the wheels, I guess. Oh, I want level 3. That sun is just creeping me out right there. If you don't see it right there. Okay. well, now let's just start off with one last spin, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, this commentary was kind of bad because it's like I don't really do much of these, and I'm kind of new to YouTube. Plus, also guys, thank you for 200 subscribers. That's very amazing, by the way. Oh shoot, I almost, okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and that's basically why I made this face cam video, because I reached 200 subs. That's amazing. And yeah, so hope I get more subs, and I want to reach my next milestone, which is 500 subscribers, and my next one before 2017 ends, 1,000. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and peace.